Good morning, student. I am Devin Chaturvedi, your maths teacher, and today I am going to start exercise based on line and angles. You will understand the solution of given question. Before this, you will watch my first video, which was based on basic knowledge of lines and angle. So, student, the first question of line and angle, the complement of 40 degree. First question, find the complement of 40 degree. So student, as you know, the complement of any angle is the same angle is subtracted from 90 degree. Complement of 40 degree, complement of 40 degree is equal to 90 degree minus 40 degree. The same angle is subtracted from 90 degree, that is 50 degree. So the complement of 40 degree is 50 degree. Second example, complement of angle X is 90 degree minus angle X. This is the complement. The question number 2, find the supplement of the given angle. The supplement of angle, find the supplement of 162 degree. So therefore supplement of 162 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 162 degree. The result is 18 degree. So student, I hope you will understand the complement and supplement of the given angle. So student, the next example, find an angle which is equal to its supplement. You know the supplementary angle, the sum of two angle is equal to 180 degree. So in this type of question, you consider the first angle be X. Let the angle be X. So since supplement of X is 180 degree minus X. Now according to question, an angle is equal to its supplement. According to question, an angle which is equal to its supplement, like this. So you have to find the value of X, then 180 degree minus X, then X is transposed from right to left, which change its sign. X plus X is equal to 180 degree. This negative X transposed towards left side. Now 2x is equal to 180 degree. So the angle X is equal to 180 degree upon 2, means 90 degree. And required angle is 90 degree. if you will find the supplement of 90 degree, so you will subtract 180 minus 90, that is also 90 degree. This is the procedure by which all the students get the solution of this type of question. The same question will you face in place of supplement, you note down complement. Find an angle which is equal to its complement. So you have to note down the complement of x, that is 90 minus x, and remaining process be same. Now student, another question which is based on the lines and angle. Find an angle which is 40 degree more than its supplement. So first you consider, let the angle be x and supplement, you need to supplement, and supplement angle of x 180 degree minus x. Now according to question, an angle that is x which is equal to 40 degree more than its supplement, 40 degree more than its supplement, this is supplement of x and both sides are equal. Now solve. 180 degree minus x plus 40 degree, convert likes aside, variable x plus x is equal to 180 degree plus 40 degree. 2x is equal to 220 degree, then x is equal to 220 degree upon 2, that is 110 degree. So required angle is 110 degree, and supplement of 110 is 70 degree. 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. 70 degree plus 40 degrees again 110 degree. This relation will be satisfied if you put this value here. Verify 110 you got 70 plus 40 again 110. So student, I hope you will understand such example which are based on lines and angle. So if you and you will be understand this concept and apply in your solution as well. If you have a query, then we will discuss in our live classes. Thank you.